क्या है बेटा? हाँ, क्या हो गया? जाओ। Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and this is the second part of the Jimny series. Well, there is a surprise in this video and we are gonna, as promised, that we are gonna do a 0 to 100 test with the stock air filter and then a 0 to 100 test with the K&N air filter. So let's quickly start this video. So in this video, the surprise is that a very dear friend of mine, his name is Pawan, he was in town. He runs a workshop called Mates and Mods that is based out of Bombay, and he's a dealer for Code6 tunes. So since he was in town and since we already had installed the K&N air filter, he said that why don't we go ahead and tune the car, because we have a very good and reliable tune for the Jimny. So we went ahead and we did a stage 2 tune for this car, and yes, that is the surprise. So now this car is tuned. It is pushing out more power. To be precise, once Pawan tuned the car, he told me that obviously since it's an NA car, we are not going to expect way much performance as compared to turbocharged cars. But what he told is that the power will increase by around 15 bhp with the K&N air filter in sync with that, and the car will definitely perform way better. In this video, we are going to do a 0 to 100 test, but now since the car is tuned, so in this video we will test the 0 to 100 with the stock air filter and the tune, and then the K&N air filter and the tune, and see if there is a difference when we put the K&N air filter. Now, in the previous video, I forgot to mention about the pricing of the air filter. Now, the K&N OEM replacement filter is priced at rupees 7,000. It retails at rupees 7,000. And if you are going to ask the price of the tune, so the tune Code6 is around 26,000 for a stage 1 and 30,000 for a stage 2. Well, if you really want to get your car tuned or do anything with the car, you can contact Mates and Mods, or you can directly hit up Pawan. So let's quickly start this video and let us see how this car performs. A 0 to 100 test on a stock filter and then on a K&N filter. So guys, this is a 0 to 100 test with the stock air filter, and traction control is on. Really don't need to switch it off, and we will be launching in 3, 2, 1. So guys, now we are going to do a 0 to 100 test with the K&N performance air filter, and the traction control is on. Don't really need to turn it off. So we will be launching in 3, 2, 1 and go. So guys, we are back from the test and we have some exciting numbers with us. So let me tell you that the stock Jimny, now we could not do a stock 0 to 100 test, but the stock Jimny, what we have seen around and online is that the stock Jimny from 0 to 100 is doing somewhere around 13.6, somewhere is doing 14, somewhere we even claimed 16, 17, 18. I don't know about all those figures. But with the tune and with the stock air filter, as you saw, we did a 13.05, and once we installed the K&N filter, then you saw we did a 12.48, and that is a significant improvement. Well, this claims that this obviously the K&N filter does help, and it helps the car breathe better. And yeah, so these were the figures, and actually the car really feels quick and peppy now with the tune and with the K&N filter. So this is the right setup. Well, there is one more thing that is left. Actually, not one, there are two more things. So the next series will be about a throttle controller, that's the Wind Booster GT. So we'll be installing it, and that claims that it'll help improve the timing a little more bit. Actually, that thing decreases the lag from the throttle, and you have around 9 to 10 modes in that, starting from your eco to your drag mode. So yeah, it'll be pretty exciting. And then we'll do a 0 to 100 test with the K&N filter, with the throttle controller in eco mode and then in drag mode, and see the difference. And we obviously have the normal mode, as in without the wind booster. We have the 0 to 100 with the K&N filter, that's 12.48. So yeah guys, that was the video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all social media channels. I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.